Claudia had always dreamed of having shiny, healthy hair, but for years she struggled with dry, lifeless locks. No matter what she tried, deep conditioning masks, oils, or expensive treatments, nothing worked. Her hair was brittle, flat, and constantly breaking, leaving her feeling frustrated. One day, while shopping, Claudia noticed a new fortifying and revitalizing shampoo. Skeptical but desperate, she decided to give it a try. After the first wash, her hair felt softer and less tangled. By the second week, she noticed a big change. Her hair was shinier, fuller, and more manageable. The shampoo's nourishing ingredients began repairing the damage, and she saw fewer strands falling out. Soon, her friends started commenting on her transformation. Claudia couldn't believe how quickly things had improved. Her hair, once dull and lifeless, now looked vibrant and strong. For the first time in years, Claudia felt confident and beautiful. Are you also struggling with dry, lifeless hair? Synergy Vita Revitalizing and Fortifying Shampoo can help restore your hair, leaving it shinier, fuller, and more beautiful.